First row last year. Right. First row last year. First year.
Good afternoon, Honorable Lordships and Ladyships. Present here and joining by video conference from respected bench and all the distinguished dignitaries. May I seek permission of the Honorable Acting Chief Justice to commence the full court farewell ovation?
Yes.
May I request Sri Rohit Sarvatnya, Senior Panel Counsel for the Union of India, to speak a few words on behalf of Sri Ajay Talhar, Deputy Solicitor General for the Union of India.
May it please your lordships. Honorable Acting Chief Justice, honorable judges, learned members of the bar and distinguished guests. It is indeed a privilege and an honor to say a few words on the occasion of the retirement of the Honorable Srimati Justice Vibha Kankanwadi. The motto of our judiciary, Yato Dharmas Tato Jayaha, signifies us that true victory lies in upholding justice and righteousness. Throughout her distinguished judicial career, her ladyship has embodied these ideals through her unwavering commitment to fairness, diligence, and the rule of law. Her ladyship's judicial work has consistently reflected a deep understanding of legal principles coupled with a keen sensitivity to human dimensions of every case. Her judgments demonstrate not only legal acumen, but also a profound concern for ensuring that justice reaches those who need it the most. Particularly noteworthy has been her ladyship's contribution in matters involving public interest and issues affecting society at large. In numerous cases concerning the welfare of the public, her ladyship's displayed a keen awareness of the impact of judicial decisions on the lives of ordinary citizens. The concern that justice should ultimately benefit even the last person in the society has been evident in many of the matters dealt with by her ladyship. Members of the legal fraternity have always appreciated the patience, courtesy, and fairness with which her ladyship conducted court proceedings. Every matter received careful attention, and every counsel was given a fair opportunity to assist the court. These qualities have earned her ladyship the admiration and respect of both the bench and the bar. Beyond her judicial pronouncements, her ladyship's discipline, dedication, and commitment to public service have left an enduring impression on all who had the privilege to appearing before her. While today marks the conclusion of an illustrious chapter of judicial service, the values upheld by her ladyship and the legacy she leaves behind will continue to inspire members of the legal profession and all those associated with the administration of justice. On behalf of the Union of India, I convey our sincere appreciation and gratitude for her ladyship's invaluable contribution to the cause of justice and public service. We extend our heartfelt wishes for good health, happiness, and fulfillment in the years ahead. May her ladyship enjoy a long, healthy, and rewarding post-retirement life. Thank you, my lord.
May I request Sri Amarjit Singh B. Girase, Government Pillar, to speak a few words.
Honorable, the Acting Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, Honorable Srimati Justice Vibha Kankanwadi ji, Senior Most Judge of the Bombay High Court, Bench at Aurangabad, Honorable Judges of the Bombay High Court, Honorable Additional Solicitor General of India, Honorable Advocate General of State of Maharashtra, Shri Rohit Sarvadar for Union of India, Senior Most Member of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, Shri V.D. Salunke, President of the High Court Bar Association, Srimati Yogita Thora, distinguished Senior Counsel, members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. Today we gather not merely to mark the retirement of a distinguished judge, but to celebrate a remarkable journey of a service, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the rule of law. It is both an honor and a privilege to pay tribute to the Honorable Justice Sri Vibha Kankanwadi as she concludes an illustrious chapter of her judicial career. Justice Kankanwadi's association with the justice delivery system is not merely a professional, it is deeply rooted in a cherished family legacy. Coming from a family of judicial officers, she inherited a profound respect for the law and the values that sustain our judicial institution. Yet, while she carried forward this distinguished legacy, she also enriched it through her own dedication, scholarship, and tireless service. In doing so, she transformed inheritance into achievement and tradition into excellence. Throughout her tenure on the bench, Justice Kankanwadi has been admired for her exceptional legal acumen and her ability to navigate complex questions of law with clarity, precision, and intellectual rigor. Her leadership judgment reflects a deep understanding of legal principles and a commitment to ensuring that justice is not a merely theoretical ideal, but a lived reality for those who seek it. On a personal note, her leadership journey serves as an inspiration to young lawyers and aspiring judges. She reminds us that excellence in the law is achieved not merely through knowledge, but through discipline, integrity, empathy, and unwavering sense of duty. Her leadership career stands a testament to the fact that public service, when guided by these values, leaves an impact for beyond the courtroom. As Justice Kankanwadi takes leave of the bench, she leaves behind not only a body of valuable judicial work, but also countless memories of her professionalism, wisdom, and humanity. The institution is richer for her contribution, and all of us who have had the privilege of witnessing her work are better for having learned from her example. Your leadership, while today marks the end of one chapter, it is by no means the end of your influence. Your legacy will continue to inspire the bench and the bar for years to come. I conclude, Yato dharmas tato jaya, yato nyayas tato yasha, yato satyam tato gauravam, yato seva tatha sukam. Where there is righteousness, there is victory. Where there is justice, there is honor. Where there is a truth, there is a dignity. Where there is a service, there is a fulfillment. On behalf of everyone gathered here, I offer our heartfelt gratitude for your distinguished service and our warmest wishes for a future filled with happiness, good health, and fulfillment. Thank you.
May I request Shri V.D. Salunke, member of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, to speak a few words.
Honorable Sri Justice Ravindra V. Guge, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, High Court of Bombay, Honorable Justice V. Kankanwadi, Administrative Judge, High Court of Bombay Bench at Aurangabad, all the Honorable Judges of High Court of Bombay at Principal Seat, Bench at Nagpur, Bench at Aurangabad, Honorable Judges, Judges of High Court of Bombay at Goa, and Circuit Bench at Kolhapur. Honorable Registrar General, Honorable Sri Sarvadne, Senior Penal Counsel of the Union of India, Sri Amal Singh Galashe, Learned Government Pleader, Srimati Yogita Thorat, President of the High Court Bar Association, all Senior Counsel, respected members of the family of Leadership Justice Kankanwadi, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a special occasion where we gather to full court reference, ovation to bid adieu to Honorable Justice V. Kankanwadi. Honorable Justice Kankanwadi, born in the family of judicial officer who came to be retired as a principal district judge. Having meritorious educational career, her leadership has practiced on civil and criminal side. Her leadership chosen career in judiciary. Having joined at first stage of judicial system as a civil judge unit division, her leadership reached at top level as a Judge High Court of Bombay and created a record as a first lady administrative judge of Aurangabad bench. It is remarkable that while acting as a judge on bench, she remained impartial. Leadership gave patient hearing to everybody, and after due appreciation of record, impartial justice two sufferers. Initially, the bar was hesitating to conduct the matters for questioning of criminal proceeding under Section 98 etc., apprehending that, being a lady judge, they may not get justice in such matters, but that apprehension proved to be false. Her ladyship maintained cordial relations with the bar and delivered remarkable judgments. Her ladyship has given important directions in one PIL for safety of judges, advocates, and court premises. After all, her ladyship is a good human being. We saw her ladyship nursing her old age father by giving go by to public functions. On behalf of Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, I wish her ladyship a good health and prosperity. Thank you.
May I request Srimati Yogita M. Shirsagar Thorat, President of the Advocates Association at Aurangabad, to speak a few words.
May it please your lordship, Honorable the Acting Chief Justice Shri Ravindra Guge, Honorable Justice Vibha Kankanwadi, Administrative Judge, Honorable Judges of the Bombay High Court, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, Learned Government Leader Shri Amarjit Singh Girase, Learned Members of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, Shri V.D. Saunke, esteemed members of the bar, my learned brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. I, Advocate Yogita Thorat Kshirsagar, President of the High Court Bar Association Aurangabad, consider it my privilege and honor to speak on behalf of the members of the bar on this occasion of bidding farewell to Her Ladyship, Honorable Justice Vibha Vasant Kankanwadi. For the last 8.5 years, Her Ladyship has been an integral part of this bench. During the period, she dealt with a wide spectrum of matters, including civil, criminal, and constitutional cases. She served with distinction both as single judge and as a member of the division benches. Members of the bar have always found Her Ladyship to be hardworking, patient, courteous, and exceptionally well prepared in every matter placed before the court. It is a matter of great pride for the Aurangabad bench that Her Ladyship became the first lady administrative judge after the establishment of this bench. In that capacity, she displayed remarkable administrative skills, vision, and leadership. Her contribution to the development of the institution and to the welfare of the bar will always be remembered with gratitude. Her administrative abilities, dedication, and earn the respect and admiration of both the bar and the bench. Her ladyship's judgments reflect a rare balance of firmness and compassion. While ensuring that justice reaches genuine victims, she remained equally vigilant that the process of law should not be misused. Her sensitivity towards the rights of women and children, coupled with her unwavering commitment to the rule of law, has earned widespread respect. I particularly remember a full bench matter in which I had the privilege of appearing for one of the respondents before Her Ladyship. That experience gave me an opportunity to witness firsthand Her Ladyship's depth of legal knowledge, meticulous preparation, and clarity of the thought. The judgment not only resolved an important legal issue but also stands as a testament to Her Ladyship's scholarship and commitment to the development of law. Apart from her judicial work, Her Ladyship has made a lasting contribution by mentoring and guiding judicial officers. The values, discipline, and judicial approach imparted by her will continue to enrich the justice delivery system of years to come. My Ladyship, members of the bar have always appreciated your accessibility, your patience, and guiding judicial officers. The values, discipline, and judicial approach imparted by her will continue to enrich the justice delivery system for years to come. My Ladyship, members of the bar have always appreciated your patience. On behalf of the High Court Bar Association, Aurangabad, I express our sincere gratitude for your invaluable service to this bench and to the institution of justice. We shall always remember your fairness, dedication, integrity, and dignity with which you discharge every responsibility entrusted to you. As your lordship retires from this office, we wish you good health, happiness, peace, and fulfillment in the years ahead. Though your ladyship may be retiring from this judicial office, your legacy, your guidance, and your contribution to the legal fraternity will continue to inspire generations to come. My ladyship, you may be retiring from the bench, but you will always remain in our hearts and memories of the members of the bar and all those whose lives have been touched by your wisdom, kindness, and commitment to the justice. Thank you, my ladyship, and we wish you a happy, healthy, and meaningful new chapter of life. Thank you.
I request the Honorable Acting Chief Justice to speak on this occasion.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, the learned Advocate General, the learned Additional Solicitor General, presidents and members of the various bar associations at Mumbai, Nagpur, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Kolhapur, and Goa, members of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, the learned government pleaders at the principal seat and at the benches, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. We have gathered here today in this full court ovation to bid a fond farewell and pay tribute to a distinguished colleague and an exceptional human being, Justice Vibha Kankanwadi, as she demits office after an illustrious judicial career spanning 34 years. In her quest for education, she had secured a high rank in Shivaji University, which is a testament to her academic excellence. Always keen on expanding her legal horizons, she later acquired a diploma in cyber laws. Beyond her adjudicatory roles, Justice Kankanwadi made an indelible mark as an educator and mentor within the judiciary. Serving as a joint director at the Judicial Officers Training Institute in Nagpur and later on deputation to the Maharashtra Judicial Academy at Uttan, she trained over 350 judicial officers, molding the minds of those who now lead our district judiciary. On the 5th of June 2017, she was elevated as an additional judge of our court. In her tenure as a judge of this court, her courtroom exemplified equity, constitutional morality, and compassion. Her judgments reflected a profound understanding of law and consideration of the sufferings of citizens and a deep commitment to the fundamental rights enshrined in our Constitution. Sister Justice Kankanwadi always maintained a calm and composed demeanor on the bench. She listened with infinite patience, judged with a clear conscience, and acted within an unyielding moral compass. Throughout the years on the bench, she nurtured the highest traditions of the judiciary, dispensing justice with fairness, patience, and dignity. Members of the bar, your colleagues, and all who have had the privilege of appearing before you have benefited from your courtesy, impartiality, and dedication to public service. The respect and esteem you command are a testament to the integrity with which you have discharged your duties. It is well known that judicial temperament is often measured not merely by the judgments delivered, but by the dignity and reassurance that a judge brings to the institution every day. Justice Kankanwadi exemplified all those qualities throughout her distinguished career. As a judge of this court for over 9 years, Sister Kankanwadi has disposed of nearly 24,000 cases, and law reports bear testimony to her erudition. The bar will definitely miss your reassuring presence, and the bench will miss a sister judge of great wisdom and warmth. Dear sister, as you demit office as a judge of the Bombay High Court today, you leave behind a legacy that will endure in the administration of justice and in the lives of those you have touched, and will inspire both young lawyers and future judicial officers. Nevertheless, your journey in judicial arena doesn't end today. Uninterruptedly, you would now assume the dais of the College and University Tribunal at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar from tomorrow. We thank you for your service to the institution and to the cause of justice. On behalf of the entire Bombay High Court and the judiciary of the state of Maharashtra and Goa. Dear sister, I wish you a very healthy, happy, and a long life. God bless you.
May I request Honorable Srimati Justice V.V. Kankanwadi to respond to the farewell ovation.
Honorable Acting Chief Justice, all the sister and brother judges of this prestigious High Court, Advocate Mr. Sarvadnya for Union of India, Advocate Girase, the government leader, Advocate V.D. Salunke, Member Bar Council, Advocate Srimati Thorat, President of the Bar, the designated senior advocates who are present here, and all the respected dignitaries. It is not an easy task to spend 33 years, 11 months, and 22 days in judiciary, but the journey was made easy to me because of the support I received from my parents and family, colleagues in the district judiciary, staff there, all the honorable chief justices, senior judges of this court, and the brother as well as sister judges in the High Court. The staff here, the advocates where I was posted, and the list will certainly go on. This is the opportunity for me to speak and express my gratitude to everyone in my life. And if I don't do so, then I would be failing in my duty. I consider myself to be the lucky person as I have taken birth in a family of intellectuals. I was given the liberty to choose my own career. I started my legal career at Satara under the senior advocate Mr. R.S. Barbade, who laid the foundation of the legal training. And thereafter, I joined the chambers of Advocate Mr. Pashankar at Pune, and then Chamber of Senior Advocate Bhimrao Naik, who was later on elevated to the High Court. However, since I had already appeared for MPSC examination for JMFC and had no plans to settle in Mumbai permanently, I did not pursue my legal practice with same zeal and dedication, but I concentrated on the judiciary to be joined by me. And then after joining the judicial service, I realized the immense responsibility entrusted on me under the Constitution of India, and endeavor to uphold the faith of litigants in the justice delivery system. I have delivered the judgments and served at various places, and everywhere I gained the experience which helped me in my further journey. After my elevation to this prestigious High Court, my first ever sitting was with Justice Oak. Thereafter, it was with Justice S.P. Dharmadhikari. Thereafter, I came here in Aurangabad. My sittings with Justice Borde, Justice Nalavde, Justice Varale, Justice S.P. Deshmukh gave me experience and strength to handle the matters. I got support from my bench partners after the responsibility of heading division bench was given to me. A judge is entrusted with solemn responsibility of administering justice, protecting constitutional values, and maintaining public confidence in the judicial system. While the public often sees only the courtroom proceedings and the pronouncement of judgments, the life of a judge extends far beyond the courtroom and is marked by dedication, sacrifice, integrity, and continuous learning. The journey of most judges begins at bar, Before assuming judicial office, they spent years as advocates, learning the law, understanding the dynamics of litigation, and developing the skills necessary for the effective administration of justice. The courtroom becomes their classroom, and the bar serves as the institution where the foundations of judicial character are laid. One of the most important ways in which the bar shapes a judge is through advocacy. Judges rely upon advocates for the presentation of facts, legal principles, and judicial precedents. Well researched arguments, balanced submissions, and professional assistance enable judges to understand complex legal issues and arrive at sound conclusions. The quality of judicial decisions is often influenced by the quality of assistance provided by the bar. The bar also acts as a source of practical wisdom for judges. Through daily interaction with litigants, witnesses, and legal institutions, advocates gain valuable insights into human behavior and social realities. These experiences help future judges develop empathy, balance, and a deeper understanding of the impact of judicial decisions on society. As judges, it becomes our responsibility to keep the judiciary on its high standards. It requires dedication and devotion. Each case before us is or most likely to be different from another. After coming to High Court, the interpretation of law, various provisions, was the center point for my work. I enjoyed my role as a trial court judge as well as High Court judge. Satisfaction of work can be achieved or felt when you do your job to the best of your ability. However, one thing I must admit that this is not a job which can be done to the satisfaction of others or to please someone. While demitting my office, I must acknowledge Aurangabad Bar and staff attached to my unit, the staff overall here for making my journey comfortable. Apart from the guidance and support from my parents, I got the support from my sisters, brother-in-laws, my nephew, and two nieces. They are my support system. Without the support of the family, the judge cannot deliver the duty called upon to. The support I received throughout my career is unforgettable. I bow down now before each person who has touched my life. It is, in fact, a dream come true because for a judge coming from a cadre of Civil Judge Junior Division to serve as a judge of the prestigious High Court for such a long period was possible only and only because of the support and the strength given by the Honorable Chief Justices and all the judges of this prestigious High Court. The judiciary has given me name, fame, and recognition to myself and developed me as a person. I would always be indebted to the judiciary. I am demitting my office with complete satisfaction. Time to say goodbye to all of you. Thank you, everyone present here, for appreciating my work. I wish everyone a good health, prosperity, and happiness. Thank you.
I express my sincere thanks to all the Honorable Lordships, Ladyships, and all the dignitaries present here today, both physically and virtually, to grace this occasion. With the kind permission of the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, I now declare this farewell ovation ceremony as over.